and invites to dance again. So whoever wants to dance, just feel free. It's a night under the stars. And next song is called Tingle Tangle Bop, like the guy from The Simpsons. Made music together, like with the kazoo in the beginning. So maybe we can repeat. It's like maybe the old game. Like I sing it one time and you try to sing it again. So repeat. So sing oh, sing loud top. Sing oh, sing oh, sing it, sing you do, sing you do. Sing ya di da di da. Sing ting the thang the bop. Sing ting the thang the bop. Ting the ting the ting the ting the ting the thang the bop. Ting the 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 thang the bop. Okay, that was But now it's gonna get crazy. I show the numbers. Sing pop. Sing bird. Sing pop. Sing pop. Pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Thank you so much. Alright, so every night has an end, every concert has an end. This was my last song, and I want to say thank you to Goethe-Institut and to all the people that run this place here and that organize this event and that invited me, and all the technicians over there. Give it up again, like, for the technicians over there. They're amazing. Please give it up to the musicians on stage tonight, like all the guest musicians and all the loop guys that were like here and singing and playing the, I forgot the name again, god damn it, like the finger piano, you know what I mean, like, please give it up, 1, 2, 3! And yeah, let me just tell you, tomorrow there is an open day over here, so at 5 we're gonna have a little set, so if you guys think about like, hey, there's this dude I want to jump on stage, tomorrow 5, the whole thing starts at 12, but in between this, like, I will be downstairs, like at the street over there, like at this cafe, and do a little street show, and I don't know, like tomorrow, here's the place to be, because all of the stuff that's happens here, so please come out, and thanks for giving me this nice mood and this, I don't know, this nice vibrations. It was my first show in Namibia, my first visit, and I don't want to play in front of another audience my first show here, so you guys are amazing, and